Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error code 524. So let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser and then in the search bar, search for roblox.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the settings icon, select settings. So inside here, make sure you're inside account info. Now you have to make sure that your birth date is verified. Roblox restricts access to certain games for under 13 account. So make sure you are verified. Once you've done that, you need to go ahead and tap on privacy and content restriction. Scroll below, then tap on visibility and private server and make sure these are set to everyone. Once it is done, you need to go ahead and simply head back, then tap on communication and make sure these are set to everyone as well. And that's it. This ensures you won't get blocked when trying to join certain games. The setting saves automatically, so now you can try joining